Your toaster, your grill, Silex grill, is supplied with a drip tray. The drip tray is here positioned at the back, and what you can do during the course of the day is, if you want to move any fat residue away from the grill surface, you can remove the spacer with a damp cloth or a dry cloth like that, put it aside like so, and then you can basically move any fat that's on the top here away to the back. You could also use your spatula and in the grooves basically move any food or fat that is on the surface towards the back. Where there's a drip surface at the back here, it will then fall off into the drip tray behind. To clean the drip tray, very simple, you remove it from either side. It will then, you can see there, it will accumulate the fat inside. Take the drip tray, add some soapy water to it, hot soapy water to dissolve the fats, and then basically clean the drip tray so that it is clean and free of any food residue. Putting it back, very simple. You can slide it either left or right again towards the back of the grill like that, so that it can then catch the next time when you cook something and you have any fat or food residue. The drip tray at the back will catch the fat or the water or the food residue that you're going to remove away with the spatula.